Hey, it's Jimmy. I am going to show you some macOS tricks I use in my daily life. Today, I will walk you through how to get an editable address bar in Finder that automatically shows your current folder path. First, let me show you how it works. With a single keyboard shortcut or a click from the Services menu, an editable address bar pops up with your current folder path instantly. Now, let's set this up. First, open the Automator app, select New Document, then choose Quick Action. Under Workflow Receive, set it to No Input in Finder. Next, search for Run AppleScript and double-click it. Now clear everything in the white box. Then copy the AppleScript from my video description and paste it into the box. Save the Quick Action with any name you like. Next, open Finder. From the menu bar, click Finder, Services, Services Settings. In the window that appears, expand the General section and find the Quick Action you just created. On the right-hand side, double-click the None field. Then, press the keyboard shortcut you like to use. I'm using Command-Control-Option-Shift+L, but feel free to choose whatever works best for you. Before testing, go to System Settings, Privacy and Security, and make sure Finder is allowed under Accessibility. Then, under Automation, make sure Finder is permitted as well to control system events. Now, let's test it. Open a Finder window, navigate to any folder, press your Assign shortcut, or trigger the action from the Services menu. As you can see, an editable address bar instantly appears with the current folder path already filled in. And that's it, quick and simple. Thank you for watching. If you found this useful, feel free to subscribe to my channel. I will be sharing more macOS tricks that I use in my daily life. Thanks again and have a great day.